So one of the things that you can do in Strikingly is go ahead and choose a blank template and then create your website from scratch as well. So to do that, from your dashboard right here, you need to go ahead and click on Create New Site. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that over here on the bottom, you can see that blank is an option. And then you can see that Start Blank is an option right here. There's the blank template. If you were to click on View Example, you see nothing because it's simply blank without anything. So you can go around over here and click on Start Editing, or you can go ahead and click on Start Editing right here, and then a new page will be created with nothing on it right here, just like this. So you got an empty site right here with placeholders that you can go ahead and then edit out as you like. Let's say, for example, I can go around and say something like, welcome to TutorTube right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and add a button, let's say, for example, add an image right here, and then add in different layout elements as you like. So there's section, like there's home, add new section. You can go ahead and then add in different sections as you like right here, and then add in the content as you feel necessary inside of the blank page. So that is how you can go ahead and then choose a blank template and make everything from scratch in Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.